We'll guide you through how to install Datapacks in Minecraft. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, you just need to go and close off Minecraft and go and open up a web browser. So personally, I use Chrome, but you can use any browser you would like. And just a quick shout out to our sponsor, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to Minecraft server host. They've got so many awesome features like DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support. So if you've got any problems, you can get in contact with them super quickly, automated backups, and so many other awesome features. And at the moment, you can get 25% off your first invoice. So if you're interested, I'll put a link in the description and in the pinned comment. But back to the guide. So what we need to do is go and find the data pack which you wish to go and install into Minecraft. You may already have one in mind, or you may just want to go and browse for one. Personally, I use Planet Minecraft, but there are so many sites out there where you can go and get mod packs from. And then all you want to do is go to planetminecraft.com. Go to the top and hover over Minecraft and then head to the left and click on Datapacks just here. And then you can browse through these different data packs which you can go and get. As you can see, there's quite a lot here. So browse through them, and the one thing to know is that below the name of the data pack, you can go and see the versions of Minecraft it works on. For example, this one here is Minecraft 1.18 to 1.20. Just note this version down, as we may need to go and change the version of Minecraft we're running later on. The data pack that I want is this one here called Waystones. So let me go and click on it. And then we can scroll down and click on download data pack, just like this. It's now downloading, and after it's finished, you can then go and close off your browser, and you can then open up your file explorer, and you can go to your downloads on the left, and then you want to go and drag the data pack just onto your desktop. Depending upon what version of Minecraft your data pack is for, you may need to go and change it. So my data pack was for 1.20, so I can go and run 1.20.2. But if you've got an older data pack, you may need to change the version of Minecraft. To do that, you just go to the top, click on installations and click on new installation, and you can then give it a name, and then you can go and choose the version. So you can go and scroll down here and see the releases. I prefer to use releases over snapshots as they tend to be a bit more stable. So go and choose it and then go and press create, and then you can go over to the left of play and you can then go and choose the one you created, which was this one here. But for me, 1.20.2 should work fine. So then I'll go and click on play. Go and click on single player. And if you didn't know, you can add data packs to existing worlds and also create new worlds with it as well. So if you want to go and add a data pack to an existing world, you can just go and find it, click on it once, and then click on edit in the bottom left. Then press on open world folder, and this will take you straight to all the world files, and you need to go into data packs, and you can then drag the data pack into it just like that, and you can then go and run the game. You have to press save as well. And if you want to go and create a new world with the data pack, press on create new world, and you can go and choose the game mode and things like that. And in the top right, click on more and click on data packs and click on open pack folder. Then you can drag it in, and then you can go and close off the file explorer, and then it should appear in the available list. And then you can go and press on the move button on the left hand side on the picture, and then press done, and you can then go and create the world. And let's go and create the world, and I'll go and show you it. Just to show you that this data pack is working, here's a crafting table. I'm going to right click on it, and then I'm going to go and craft it. So what you may need to do is go back to the website to go and see how it works. So down here, I can see how to craft and use it, so you get a bit more info about it. So I've now entered the recipe, and I've got this thing called knowledge book. If I go and click on it, it then goes and creates the waystone. So then I can go and create one, go and place it down, and I can go and start using it. This data pack is just one of many, and there are so many out there which are all going to change how Minecraft is. I do really like data packs as they're super simple to install. Literally, all you need to do is open up the world files and drag them in. And as I said, there's such a range of different ones which go and change how the game works. If you found this guide useful and you want to see more useful Minecraft guides, then do consider subscribing and liking the video. It means so much to us. And once again, a big shout out and thank you to our sponsor Apex. They are my favorite Minecraft server hosting out there. They do both Minecraft Java and Bedrock as well. I hope to catch you guys in the next one.